Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodles. So, today we are going to do the third part of how to make a basic mandala from scratch, or a beginner's guide of how to make a mandala. So, in this video, we are going to learn about the basic stencil of a mandala, how those mandalas are so organized and so symmetrical in nature. We are going to learn the hidden remedy of that today, and I am going to be drawing a very basic mandala for you guys. So let's get started on the video. First of all, you are going to find the center of this A4 sized page. I have already found the center, which I am marking right now. Things you will need for this video are a basic ruler, a pencil, a compass, an eraser, and a 360-degree protector. You can use the 180-degree if you don't find the 361. And again, I'm going to be using the pigment liner, Staedtler pigment liner pack. Now I will make a circle with the help of the compass with a radius of 2 centimeter. Then again a circle of 0.5 centimeter gap, and then again a circle of 2 centimeter gap, then again a circle of 0.5 centimeter gap. You get the gist. You can make the circles at any gap, to be honest. You can also rotate the paper. You have the problem of not making the circle like when the paper is still. Now here, the next step, I will take the 360-degree protector and place it in the center of our mandala and start marking from 0 degree to 360 degree on the gap of 10 degrees each. And then I am going to join all these dots as I am showing in the video. So basically, this is the stencil of mandala, which helps to make the mandala so symmetrical and all the patterns seem to be very organized. Now in this step, I'm going to draw the quarter of the mandala, because if I draw the whole mandala, it will be a movie. Lol. I am first of all drawing circles in each grid and then filling them out, as you can see. Then I am lining the lines in the center because I couldn't think of any other pattern in the center of this mandala. You can go for any pattern. Now I'm taking 2 grids and forming a leaf out of it, which you might know if you have seen my intricate patterns video, which is the second part of this series. And I am filling these leaves now. You can fasten or slow the speed of this video in the YouTube player section in the settings icon if this video is too slow or too fast for you. Now I am going to be making in a single grid 2 leaves type of patterns. Then filling in them with smaller ones. Now again I am taking two grids and forming a leaf type pattern, and will be filling it with flower pattern. On to next, I am making a border which is basically a S alphabet in a S alphabet. I hope you guys get it. Like if you see it keenly, you can notice there is a S in S. If you guys try this, make sure to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is idle doodle. I would love to see your drawings, and don't be disheartened if you look if any of your patterns go wrong. To be honest, if you look at the bigger picture, no one notices such small minor mistakes. It should overall look pretty. And again, I have said practice makes a man perfect, so keep practicing until you get it. I am adding further detailing to the mandala, as you can see, which makes it look very pretty.
20 minutes later.
This is the final mandala. I hope you guys like this series. I'll make a playlist of this series. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and till then, take care everyone.